Standard 6, Subject Information Technology, Lesson number 2, Multimedia. Next point of the lesson is scanner. What is scanner? Scanner is an input device. Scanner is a device that optically scans images, printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to a digital image. Once the image is in digital form, you can store it on your computer hard disk, manipulate it with the graphics design program, add it to your poster design and more. In short, scanner is an input device which is used to scan a text, image, document or any kind of letter. Operation of a scanner. First, scanner is operate on the principle of reflection, that is on the basis of light, reflection of light. Second, when light source falls on an image or document, the incident light reflects. Third, the reflection depends upon the color and size of the image in the document. Let us study about the advantages and disadvantages of a scanner. First, advantages of a scanner. First advantage, images can be stored for editing later. That is, whatever images we are scanning, that we can use for editing in future. Second, faster and accurate. Third, possible to recover damaged documents and photographs by scanning and using appropriate softwares. All these are the advantages of scanner. Let us study disadvantages of scanner. Quality can be limited depending on scanner resolution. The type of resolution which we scan is very important, and the quality of the picture depends on the resolution. Let us study the types of scanner. Basically, scanners are of 4 types. First one is a flatbed scanner. Second one is a slide scanner. Third one is a handheld scanner. And fourth one is a drum scanner. All the images of a scanner are shown here. Let us study first flatbed scanner. It is used for scanning most documents, photos, and even flat objects from a PC or a laptop. The image given here shows a flatbed scanner. Second point, flatbed scanner works like a copy machine. Third, scan document place face down on the glass, that is on scan bed. This is called as a scan bed or a flat surface of the scanner. Fourth point, most common type of scanner. Flatbed scanner is a most common type of scanner. Let's study about barcode reader. Barcode reader is also a type of scanner which is used to scan barcode, also called UPC, that is Universal Product Code, which is printed or available on our various types of material. See, these are the vertical lines are called UPC, that is Universal Product Code, that is scanned by a barcode reader. These barcodes contain information about the product like name of the product, company, manufacturing date, expiry date, price, etc. Next type of scanner is handheld scanner. Read data on price tags, shipping labels, inventory parts numbers, book ISBN and the like. Sometimes called WAN scanner. This type of scanner you may saw in shopping malls or various types of shops where we purchase various types of materials, articles. The material which are having barcode that are scanned by handheld scanners. Next type of scanner is drum scanner. Drum scanner used to capture the highest resolution from an image. Photographs and transparencies are taped, clamped or fitted into a clear cylinder, that is drum. That is a spoon at speeds exceeding 1000 rpm resolution per minute. During the scanning operation, a light source that focuses on one pixel is beamed onto the drum and moves down the drum a line at a time. This is all about the information about the scanner, the advantages of scanner, the disadvantages of scanner, the types of scanner. Student, complete this given homework. Thank you.